Okay, guys, a little bit of a shop update. It's been a while since I've posted anything, or uploaded anything, so sorry. I got the Cadillac parts in the booth, getting them all prepped so I can jam them. Working on doing a little spray out for the next project. It's going to be a 69 Nova for a buddy of mine. And then, as far as like out in the shop, I got the Cadillac up on the hoist. I had to make a school bus for my church. I'll drop some pictures in the video. So I built a little school bus for my church's preschool area. It's like 15 feet long, 3.5 feet wide. It's kind of for the little preschool kids to play in it. I am not painting it, but the church is going to have somebody paint it. And here's a picture of my kid he's 3.5. For a size reference. Standby generator for my house. So I'm gonna I got all of it for free, so I can't really go wrong. It works, it's got like 3,000 hours on it, and then it came with the panel, so I'll wire it up to the house, it'll just kick on automatically. It's got a timer in here I can set to, so I can have it do a test run. I can have it kick on like once a month, get up to temperature, and then it'll shut off. Got the Cadillac up on the hoist. You guys can probably see the color a little better here than in the booth. In the booth it looked pretty dark. So you don't have to worry about the overspray on the bottom of the car. It's getting a new exhaust system. He's gonna go through and clean up the bottom of the floorboards and everything. So that's kind of what we've been working on. Alright guys, this is the next one that we're doing after the Cadillac. It's a 69 Nova. We're going to be switching it over to a 70 Nova because we can't get 69 parts for it in time. But we can get 70 parts. So he's got it, total race car, back half. So it's gonna be going Marina Blue. She doesn't want it. It's gonna steel doors, steel fenders, fiberglass hood, fiberglass bumpers. And then he's got what is it? LS turbo, putting out incredible amounts of power. So it'll be a fun one, and it'll be really nice once it's all done. But we are going to be replacing both quarters. We're going to be cleaning up some rust around the windows. This originally, or when he bought it, it had all Lexan glass, but it sounds like he's going to put the factory windshield and back glass in it. And then it'll have the factory door glass. The class he's racing in has to have functioning crank windows. So, and then the person that had it before was running big tires, so they cut the front of the wheel well bigger. And so when we redo the quarters, the quarter panel is going to be back a little bit. They also cut the rockers, so I'll have to add on to the rocker. But so that's why we're replacing the quarters. And then they have a lot of body work in them and stuff. And we're going to strip this one all down to bare metal. And we're going to try to get it all done so he can race it this summer. But just an idea of what's to come after the Cadillac.